I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning. What is near point? What is far point? What is least distance of distinct vision? By the end of this video, we will be able to answer these questions. First of all, let us quickly recollect the basics related to eye. Let us quickly understand few important parts of human eye and their functioning. This is an eye, its eye lens, retina. It is connected through optic nerve to the brain. There is an object. The rays coming from the object passes through the eye lens and converge to retina, and when the signal is passed to brain, the brain recognizes the object. Our brain reads what the retina receives. If a clear image is formed on the retina, then the vision will be clear. To understand near point, far point, and least distance of distinct vision, let us start an activity. Note down the observations carefully. So let it be your eye. Place an object at some distance. If you can clearly see this object, put a tick mark, or you can put a green button. Then slowly move this object towards your eye. Each time, if you can clearly see this object, put a green button. Continue this process. Move the object towards your eye. If you can clearly see this object, put a green button. Continue this process. Observe carefully. Now this object is blurred. It is not clearly visible, so put a red mark. On further moving the object towards your eye, again it is blurred, so put a red mark. Now do the same experiment on the other hand. Increase the distance of the object from your eye, move the object away from your eye, and each time note down whether the object is clearly visible to you or not. If it is clearly visible, put a green button. If it is blurred, then put a red button. Here, as the object is moved away from the eye, still it is visible, so green buttons continues. Still the object is visible. Now the object is blurred. That means the eye is not able to see this object clearly, so put a red button. Again, on further moving the object away, put a red button. So this is the visible region, green shaded. This red shaded area is the blurred vision area. One is close to the eye, one is far away from the eye. For this visible region, you have two boundaries. Closest to the eye is the near point N. Here, the distance from the eye to the near point is called least distance of distinct vision. And farthest to the eye is the far point F. Conclusion. The nearest but clearly visible point is the near point. The farthest but clearly visible point is the far point. The distance to the near point from the eye is the least distance of distinct vision. Recapitulation. The nearest but clearly visible point is the near point. The farthest but clearly visible point is the far point. The distance to the near point from the eye is the least distance of distinct vision. Thank you.